Hi everyone, I'm Rick Slark, and welcome to the framework we call Sales Funnel. Sales activities for improving lead conversions. The framework sales funnel shows the activities that lead to a sale and illustrates how leads are converted into orders. A number of prospects or leads results in a slightly smaller number of usable contacts. Only a part of these usable contacts will be interested in a meeting. And out of this number, a few will accept an offer with only part of these few offers resulting in an actual order. And so the sales funnel shows the process of lead conversion. A key point of this framework is that many companies need to make and start dialogue with a great number of leads to get the number of orders they want. A company can also increase its sales by improving its skills in each of these processes within the sales funnel, therefore making lead conversion better. Here's some topics for discussion. How well are you doing in sales right now? How many orders do you need to do well? How many orders does it take for the company to reach its goal for monthly or yearly turnover? How many offers, meetings, contacts, and leads does it take? Some decisions you might need to make. Number one, monitoring conversion rates. How will you collect data to monitor the sales conversion rates? Number two, improving conversion rates. How will you improve these conversion rates? And number three, sales targets. What are your targets for numbers of closed deals, quotes, meetings, contacts, and leads per month, quarter, or year? If you'd like more information about the sales funnel framework, reach out to me at rick@slarkconsultinggroup.com.